Hello and welcome back. This is Steve at Bucks Coins and welcome to another review. This is a Christmas past one. And I have 4 coins here. All of them are Snowman. So it's 4 of the 5 coins that make up the Snowman series that we've had. Now the problem is the one I'm missing is the first one from the blue card, so it's not brilliant, but the progression that we've gone through is we've had, as I said, 4 snowmen. We've had 5 snowmen in total, and 2020, 2022, 2019 and 2021. So the first one is the Christmas and the child, I've forgotten his name now. It's typical, isn't it? Let's just bring you in. You got Christmas, you got the snowman with his arms around the boy. This is the 2019 one. The 2019 50p. Now the 2018 one, which was the first one in the series, had him flying across Brighton, above Brighton Pier with the boy in tow, very similar to the way Peter Pan did it with Wendy. It's very much the same sort of vibe. The second coin was this one, where he's on a frozen, either a frozen pond or some frozen some ice of some description. The snowman's there and the boy, he has his arms around the boy. As I said, this was the first one. This is the second one in the series of 5 that have been released so far. I do like this set. It's such an unusual set. The next one, which is the 2020 one, is, I'm not sure who the snowman's with this time. Give me 1 second, where I've got my little handy dandy magnifier. It's the boy again. He's actually got his arms totally around the boy. So the first one had him just look with the boy in front of him, with his arms around him. This is the one where he's actually got the boy hugging the boy, and you have snowflakes in the background. My fault. Again, another nice coin from the series. The third one is where the boy, the fourth one of the series, again is in the same sort of snowy atmosphere. The snow's coming down and you have the boy drawing on the smile of the snowman. Finally, in the latest one, which is the 2022 one, you have the snowman and the dog, and the snow dog. So, do you have a favourite of these 4? Tell me in the comments down below. Have you got all 4 of them? Or indeed, have you got all 5? I do have all 5 of them. I just don't have them. I just don't have a blue card version of the very first one, which is the 2018 one. So that completes this review. Quite a short one. If you're having a hunt, I hope you have a successful one and you find the coins you're looking for. If you're buying coins, I hope you can get the coins you want for the price you want to pay. And finally, if you haven't done already, I am trying to grow my channel again this year. I'm doing several videos a week. over the Christmas period I'm doing quite a lot of videos about Christmas coins of the past and of this year, so hopefully you'll find something you enjoy watching. And until we meet up again on this channel, from me, thank you and bye bye. Ta-da now.